So hello everybody. So today's class is on hello students. Today's class is on WBJEE 2023. WBJEE 23 important integrals. And remember one thing, there are 75 questions, and on these 75 questions there are a number of questions coming in from single chapters. So out of which integral as well as definite integral, area under the curve, differential equation, these are main chapters for the WBJEE. And once we can explore the integration portion and differentiation portion, so we can answer almost out of 75 questions, we can answer about 35%, even more than. So let's start. Let's start. Today's class is on indefinite integral, because indefinite integral is not important for any examination, but it is important for the WBJEE examination everybody. And on the basis of indefinite integral, tomorrow I will do the class on definite integral. Okay, so let's continue. Let's do some important indefinite integral which comes in the type of WBJEE examination everybody. Remember one thing, JEE main type and WBJEE type is something different. Okay, so let's do some sums which are coming, which are traditional in the WBJEE examination. So let us start. First of all, integration of root tan x plus root cot x. Do this, just I am coming once. ওখানে লেখা যেটাও হাত রেখে দেখি. So everybody, let us start, let us continue. You try on this. So in this type of sum, in this case, what we'll do, root tan x can be written as this type of sum, very popular for the WBJEE type of examinations. So root sin x by root cos x plus root cos x by root sin x dx. Now sin x plus cos x by root over of sin x. Now always in case of integral, everybody remember one thing, indefinite integral is one of the most important part, because on the basis of the indefinite integral, it will be the definite, it will be the area, and this integral calculus fully depends on the indefinite integral. So let's do. So what is the target? That we have to multiply 2 balance by 2, because whose derivative is the numerator, always you have to ask yourself. So therefore we can write this as, we have to present sin x minus cos x or cos x minus sin x in the denominator. We are getting here 1 plus sin 2x minus 1. So we can write here sin x plus cos x total divided by 1 minus of 1 minus sin 2x. So we can write here sin x plus cos x, right? So and denominator is root over of 1 minus sin x minus cos x whole square. If we take denominator sin x minus cos x as t, so cos x plus sin x dx equal to dt. So directly we are getting, I am not continuing the sum, so dt by root over minus t square, that is sin inverse t is the final answer. Okay, let's go to the next sum. Because I have seen number of students, those who are very good in mathematics, but they have not finished their sums while practicing. So they forget the formulas and all others. So everybody, indefinite integral, just learning the formula is very important, and just practicing the formula very important. Mane, you have to finish the sum, you have to complete the sum. Okay, let's do the next sum. Integration sin 2x by sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x. What to do for this? Just see over here, in the numerator there is the sin 2x. So anyhow we have to present better cos 2x in the denominator. That should be the target, so that if we take cos 2x as t, accordingly we will get its derivative should be present, because there are 75 questions everybody. There are so much questions, 75 questions in 2 hours time, and you have to solve the sum very fast. Okay, so in this case we can write this as sin 2x by a square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So sin square plus cos square 1 minus half sin square 2x. So numerator is the sin 2x, whose derivative is the sin 2x. I am not taking the constant, I am taking constant outside. So whose derivative is the sin 2x? That is the cos 2x. So I am taking here integration sin 2x dx by 1 minus half sin square means 1 minus cos square 2x. Okay, if we do the LCM, therefore we are getting sin 2x dx. So 2 minus 1, it means 1 plus cos square 2x. If we take cos 2x equal to t, so sin 2x minus outside, because cos theta derivative is minus sin theta. So sin 2x into 2 dx equal to dt. So sin 2x dx equal to 2 sin 2x dx equal to minus dt by 1 plus t square, that is 1 by a tan inverse 6 by a. So in this case we are getting tan inverse t. Now finally put the, let's go to the next sum. If it is just cos to the power 4x plus sin to the power 4x, then what to do? Same method, a square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Therefore we can write this as dx by sin square x plus cos square x whole square minus 2 sin square x cos square x. I am writing as the half sin square 2x directly, because everybody in WBJEE you should not waste a second, okay, because you have to solve number of sums in mathematics, and obviously it is a determining factor. So we can write this as dx, once again same process, 2, here it is 2 minus sin square 2x. Now we can multiply, there are two ways. One is we can just take the multiple of the tan, or we can multiply by the sec square 2x in the numerator denominator, and tan 2x as t. Number of ways to solve the sum, as you think better. So multiply sec square 2x dx, and here it is 2 sec square means 1 plus tan square 2x minus tan square 2x. So final form of the sum is sec square 2x, 2 plus tan square 2x, and if we take tan 2x equal to t, there are 2 sec square 2x dx equal to dt. So in this case sec square 2x dx is half dt by root 2 square plus t square. Again this formula is very very common formula, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So final answer is the 1 by a tan inverse x by a form. So we are getting 1 by root 2 tan inverse t by root 2 plus c. Okay, everybody, let's go to the next sum. One more sum, dx by sec square x plus tan square x. What to do for this? So everybody, I am showing you different form, because in WBJEE, you just understand one matter. There are 25 to 26 chapters in maths, but questions are 75. It means number of questions are coming from the same chapters, and out of which this integral as well as integral as a whole, indefinite integral as a whole, plus as the operator in all this differential equation and all other chapters. Okay, so let us proceed. So we can multiply here, just apply sec square x minus tan square x, as we know that sec square x minus tan square x equal to 1. Therefore, we can write this as sec square x plus tan square x. Now, just take, obviously you have to take tan x as t, that is sec square x dx equal to dt. We have to present sec square x and other parts should be cancelled. So let us manipulate in such a way. So let us write like this, sec square x minus sec square x plus tan square x, okay, divided by sec square x plus tan square x dx. So we can write this as 2 sec square x dx by sec square plus tan square. We have to take numerator, we have to absorb numerator sec square x. So obviously denominator sec square x के हमरा 1 by tan square x will write. Okay, हम लोग को denominator में 1 plus tan square x, so 1 plus 2 tan square x minus dx. Okay, everybody. So here we can take root 2 tan x as t. Remember one thing, if we take tan x equal to t, once again we have to take 2 outside to get the exact formula. But it is better just absorb at a time everything. So I am writing root 2 tan x as t. So root 2 sec square x dx equal to dt. If we take this, we are getting dt by directly same that formula which is coming continuously for us. So this is that 6 formulas, everybody, you have to learn. So this is 1 by a tan inverse x by a and minus dx ka integration x plus c. So complete the sum. Everybody remember one thing, it is a totally last problem, and you have to remember the formulas, you have to learn the formula, you have to mug up the formula. Okay, next, because you have to solve the sum in very fast. Next, I am ready. One more sum. Integration of root tan x. This sum is quite popular. This sum is quite popular in the school life, everyone, and it is one of the hard sum for the school life. The students tell. So let's solve it. And this, taking this root tan x integral as the intermediate, number of sums are coming even for the JEE advanced examination. So each and every step of this root tan x is very important. So I am solving. So in this case, only one way is that we have to take tan x as t square, because tan x is under root over. There is no any another way. No any another way, everybody. Only one way that we have to take tan x as t square. So its derivative is a sec square x. We have to present in the numerator. So what to do? Let us multiply sec square x in the numerator denominator. Numerator, this sec square x will be utilized. But denominator sec square x ko we can write 1 plus tan square x. Therefore, we can write this as, okay, I am using the direct pen. So we can write this as root over of tan x into sec square x. This numerator sec square x will be utilized for the substitution. So now we can write this as tan x equal to beta t square. We can take t, but it is better to avoid the root over. So it is t square. So sec square x dx equal to 2t dt. So we can write here we can write here 2t square by 1 plus t to the power 4 tan x as t square. Just understand one thing, tan x as t square, tan x as t square, so tan square x is t to the power 4. Here it is coming to be t to the power 4. Therefore, we can write here 1 plus t square plus t square minus 1 by 1 plus t to the power 4 dt. Now 1 plus t square by 1 plus t to the power 4 dt plus t square minus 1 by t to the power 4 plus 1 dt. Everybody, one very important thing that we have to manipulate in such a way, this is the basic rule of integration, that we have to manipulate in such a way that whose derivative is the numerator, accordingly we will select the denominator as t. Okay, यही तो है most important part. So remember one thing, here we can write, we can divide by t square, here we can divide by t square, here also t square, here also t square. So final game is coming to be 1 plus 1 by t square dt, and here it is t square plus 1 by t square. Similarly, here we can write as 1 minus 1 by t square plus 1 by t square. So everybody, just see one thing, whose derivative is this numerator? Whose derivative is 1 plus 1 by t square? So let us integrate the numerator. किसका derivative 1 plus 1 by t square? Let us integrate the numerator. Okay, so accordingly we will take that as t. So in this case t minus, okay, I am just arranging for you, and this particular integral is very important, a minus b whole square plus 2ab, again that for 1 by a tan inverse x by a formula. Similarly, 1 minus 1 by t square, so we have to take a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Now if we take t minus 1 by t equal to p, so directly we are getting here. Similarly, t plus 1 by t equal to, suppose what we can say, u, therefore we get here du by, oh sorry, here it is coming dp by p square plus root 2 square, same thing as 1 by a tan inverse x by a, and here it is coming to be du by u square minus root 2 square, 1 by 2 a log of x minus a by x plus a, that formula we can apply, we can utilize. Okay everybody, say this. Let us proceed with the next sum. For example, so in WBJEE, everybody, you will get this type of sums that not very hard, but it will be something lengthy and you have to solve in shortest time because you have no time. Unlike JEE main examination. Okay, this examination is something of different type. Next. Next everyone, sin x by sin x plus cos x. How to solve it? Sin x by sin x plus cos x. What to do here? First of all, half, because these type of sums are very common for the examination. These are very popular for the examination. Okay, so let's do one thing. Sin x, this is 2 sin x dx by sin x plus cos x. Now if we just apply here, just sin x plus cos x plus sin x minus cos x, just separate sin x plus cos x dx, similarly sin x plus cos x dx. Now just see one thing, this is getting cancelled and this is coming dx, and if we take this as t, sin x plus cos x, if we take t, then cos x minus sin x dx equal to dt, so directly we can solve the sum. So minus dt by t, so this is coming x minus log t, ln t, whatever in maths we can write log t, ln t, whatever according to the requirement, according to the option, we'll mark. Okay. So log t plus c, sum is over. Okay, everyone. Let's do the next sum. Integration of x into sec 2x minus 1 by sec 2x plus 1 dx. What to do? So really only one way that you have to take. We have to take sec x, we have to convert sec x as cos x. Let us start. Automatically you'll get the way. Okay, whenever you'll see any sum in the WBJEE examination, everyone, we should not waste any time. So how to solve the sum, everybody? How to solve the sum in the WBJEE examination? Whenever you see paper, you start solving the sums. Okay? Because we should not waste a second. Now, in this case, let's start with this. Let x 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. We can write this as x 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x by 2 cos square x, that's the tan square x. So we are getting here tan square x dx. Tan square so cannot be done with anything, so we can write this as x square x minus 1. Now what we can do? X into sec square x dx minus dx. Now everybody, we can write this as UV formula. This we can write this as a UV formula. If we make it as a UV formula, we are getting here x is the first function, sec square x is tan x, minus derivative of x is 1, integration of sec square x is tan x, on total dx is log of sec x. Very fast everybody, we have to solve very fast. Bypass rule. So integration of the first function for u, integration of v, integration of the second function, derivative of x is 1, integration of sec square x is tan x. Once again, the integration of the tan x is log sec x, okay, and dx ka integration x plus c, sum is over. Let us go to the next sum. One more sum. Cos 5x plus cos 4x total divided by 1 minus 2 cos 3x. What to do? What to do everybody? Just see one thing. Anyhow we need to absorb the denominator 2. Anyhow we need to absorb the denominator 2. How to absorb denominator 2? Which formula, which triple angle formula? Just digest the denominator 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta digest the denominator 2. Therefore we can write this as just multiply sin 3x in the numerator denominator. So numerator is a cos c plus cos d, cos 5x plus cos 4x, denominator multiply karo sin 3x, denominator numerator multiply karo by sin 3x. So we are getting here sin 3x minus 2 sin 3x cos 3x sin 6x. We are getting here sin 6x. Now what to do? What to do here? We can write this as cos c plus cos d formula, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Therefore we can write this as 2 cos c plus d by 2, 5 plus 4 9 by 2, 9x by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 cos x by 2, and this is sin 3x as it is. Okay, next here denominator sin c minus sin d, that is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So in this case, everybody, why I am telling fast? Because you have to be habituated with this fast method. Very fast you have to be habituated. Otherwise, you cannot complete the paper. Okay. So minus 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos 9x by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 minus already I have taken. So sin 3x by 2. So 2 is getting cancelled here. Here cos x, okay, I am getting just, so cos x also getting cancelled. Therefore we are getting here cos x by 2, 2 also cancelled. Sin 3x can be written as 2 sin 3x by 2 cos 3x by 2, 2 sin 3x by 2 cos 3x by 2. 2 sin 3x by 2 cos 3x by 2. Once again 1 sin 3x by 2 getting cancelled, and we are getting just sin 3x by 2. This sin 3x by 2 cancelled. Therefore, we can write here. It is in the form of 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Therefore, I can write here just if you add you will get c, and if you subtract you will get d. So, here it is cos 2x plus cos x ka integral. Directly we have solved the sum. So, it is coming to be sin 2x by 2 plus sin x. Sum is over. Let's do the next sum. X plus 4 into e to the power x total divided by x plus 6 whole cube. This particular sum, this particular method is extremely important, everyone. This particular method, this is in the form of e to the power into fx plus f dash x. You have to search whenever e to the power x, any form of any form of the exponential part, exponential form is multiplied with any form of the algebraic form. Okay, so only this formula will be the way, but you have to just identify, or you have to manipulate that which is the fx and which is the f dash x. So in this case, let us apply. For this we need to know the concept of differentiation. X plus 6 minus 2 total divided by x plus 6 whole cube dx. So we are getting here e to the power x into 1 by x plus 6 whole square minus 2 by x plus 6 whole cube. Everybody, this type of sums will be coming in the examination, and remember one thing, in this type of cases you have to remember that which is the fx and which is the f dash x. That is very important. This is fx, and this is f dash x. You must check it. How I can say this? Because what we know that whenever u by v we can do, whenever we just differentiate the denominator, the power of the denominator is getting increased. So that is how I can say. But when once again एक बार तुम लोग भी check कर लेना. So we can write this as e to the power x into 1 by 1 plus, sorry, in this case e to the power x into x plus 6 whole square plus c. Sum is over. Let's continue the next sum. One such sum I am giving you, but sometimes it getting difficult which is the fx and which is the f dash x, but it is important, everybody. You have to practice. This is the knowledge on your differentiation. Okay, one more sum I am giving you. E to the power x into x cube plus x plus 1 total divided by 1 plus x square whole to the power 3 by 2. Everybody, in 100% cases when e to the power x in any form is multiplied to the x, so it is a e to the power x into fx plus f dash x. But you have to manipulate that which is the fx and which is the f dash x. Must do this, everyone. Try karo. So what can be done? I am taking e to the power x common. So x cube plus x. See this x cube plus x. This x cube plus x I can write like this: x common 1 plus x square. I am taking e to the power x common. 1 plus x square plus 1 divided by 1 plus x square whole to the power 3 by 2 dx. So this we can write as e to the power x, and just see 1 by 1 plus x square whole to the power half. It means root over 1 plus x square by 1 plus x to the power 3 by 2. So 1 plus x square whole to the power half. This portion a by a to the power 3 by 2. So a to the power half, and here we are getting plus 1 by 1 plus x square whole to the power 3 by 2 dx. Okay, everyone. One more thing. Here it will be 1x. This is the x. This is the x. Here it will be the x. So everybody must practice in your home. Must see this. Must verify which is the fx and which is the f dash x. So this is fx by. If we can understand with the differentiation knowledge, it is okay. If we cannot understand with the knowledge, you can just do the differentiation and be satisfied. Therefore, final answer is fx and f dash x. We are getting e to the power x into fx. You can realize that this is the differentiation, no problem. If you cannot realize, you must see the differentiation, must do the differentiation and check it. Let's go to the next sum. Integration x by 1 plus sine 2x. What to do? What to do in this type of integral? 1 plus sine 2x. Somebody is telling that sin x plus cos x whole square multiplied by the sec square is. It is very good. But here it is x and trigonometry. Finally, we have to do the by parts. So there is some another way which I am showing you. We can write here x dx divided by 1 plus sine 90 minus theta cos theta. So cos 2x minus pi by 2. This is so x dx 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta, up it will be coming to the sec square theta, x into sec square theta, direct integral sum is over. We can do in the shortest possible method. Okay, that is also possible. So we can write this as 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square x plus x minus pi by 4, coming up it is x into sec square x minus pi by 4 dx. Now what to be done? Just see everybody. Now UV formula, U, it means it is the first function, it is the first function and it is the second function in by parts. So let us apply the UV formula. So U integration of V, it means sec square integration is tan x minus pi by 4 minus derivative of U minus derivative of U. Derivative of U means derivative of x is 1, sec square x is tan x minus pi by 4 on total once again integration. So directly everybody I am doing this. I am doing directly. So this is coming log of sec of x minus pi by 4, sum is over. Okay. Next sum. Next everybody, one more sum. Cos x plus x sin x total divided by x into x plus cos x. How to solve this integral? How to solve this integral? Always that it is not that its derivative is present in the sum, but you have to manipulate in such a way that you have to cancel. There are a number of ways to solve the integration. Number one, you have to present the, in 99% cases I am telling, you have to present its derivative in the numerator. Otherwise, you have to manipulate in such a way that denominator should be cancelled with the numerator. It is very important. So let us apply. How to solve this sum? Let's solve it. Denominator we are seeing x plus cos x. Anyhow, we have to present x plus cos x in the numerator, and other part will be, I think, cancelled. Otherwise, we have to do something. But let us proceed. We have to present x plus cos x in the numerator. Therefore, we can write cos x is there. We can add x, balance with the x plus x sin x. Okay, total divided by x into x plus cos x dx. Now everyone just separate cos x plus x by x into x plus cos x dx minus common x into 1 minus sin x total divided by x into x plus cos x. So this is getting cancelled, dx by x, and everybody this is also getting cancelled. So if we take denominator as t, x plus cos x, its derivative is 1 minus sin x dx. So directly we can take dt by t of t. So final answer is minus log of x plus cos x plus c. Sum is over. Next sum. Next question, root over of 1 plus sec x dx. So these are some another type of sums. In JEE main examination, it can be done in 2-3 lines. The integration is very interesting, but very few integrations are coming. But here you will get the integral, indefinite integral in this WBJEE, because there are a lot of questions and number of chapters. According to the chapter and question, if we decide, we will see. According to the normal estimate, I can tell 3 to 4 questions are coming from some important chapters. Okay, so let us proceed. So 1 plus sec x. What can be done here? Just do one thing. 1 plus 1 by cos x. That is what to do? Root over of 1 plus cos x by root over of cos x dx. Root over of 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. That is cos x by 2 dx. In indefinite integral, mod concept is not so much popular for class 11 and 12. Okay, and root over of cos x, whose derivative is the new matter? That is the most important thinking. Whose derivative is the new matter? In this case, whatever we are seeing, that cos x by 2. So we have to present sin x by 2 in the denominator. So 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. And if we take root 2 sin x by 2 equal to t, we are getting root 2 cos x by 2 into root 2 cos x by 2 into, we can write this as half dx equal to dt. Therefore we can write here, everybody, just cos x by 2 dx equal to root 2 dt. So this is coming dt by what is there? Root 2 is coming, cos x by 2 dx is coming root 2. So numerator is coming 2 root 2. Is it coming though? 2 root 2 total divided by 1 minus t square. That is sin inverse x by e ka formula. Sin inverse t plus c. That is the answer. So you have to prepare in such a way that you should have total hold on the mathematics. Then only you can get score, because everybody remember Jadavpur University. WBJEE ka most important attraction is the Jadavpur University, and to get the chance in Jadavpur University, everybody, it is world-class university and it is better than most of the NIT colleges. Okay, and for this you have to answer lot of question in mathematics. Text. Continuation. Integration x square dx total divided by x sin x plus cos x whole square. How to solve this sum? Just see. In this case, by seeing the sum, it seems that we have to do the by parts, because x is mixed with some trigonometry. Most important is the to which we'll select as a v. V is the better integrable function. So in this case, what to do here, everybody? So let us differentiate x sin x plus cos x. Let us differentiate equal to t. So x sin x, x cos x dx equal to dt. So we are getting x cos x. So let us first present the v, which is the better integrable function. So we can just present here x sec x, then multiply by x cos x. So numerator is done. I am doing this to take this as a second function, x sin x plus cos x. Now what to do? This is the first function and this is the second function, and if we just differentiate, we are getting u integration of v. So let us do that, not differentiation, x sec x. Separately I am taking the integration of the v, second function. So if we take x sin x plus cos x as t, so x cos x dx equal to dt, so integration is dt by, okay, I am writing its details, so this is coming to be dt by t square. So dt by t square, that is coming minus 1 by t. This is coming to be minus 1 by t. Okay, so its integration of the second function is coming minus 1 by x sin x plus cos x. Let us present this. Now, so u integration of v means what? What we get? Minus x sin x plus cos x minus derivative of u, derivative of x sec x. What to do, everybody? Derivative of x sec x. Just see one thing, here we can write this as derivative of x sec x is x sec x is sec x tan x minus sec x dx by dx1, and integration of v already we got minus of minus plus x sin x plus cos x dx. Now we can write this as minus x sec x by x sin x plus cos x plus, from here if we take sec square x common, numerator denominator is getting cancelled. Okay, everybody? Actually it is plus, sorry. So sec square x is tan x, final answer is minus x sec x by x sin x plus cos x plus sec square x is tan x plus c. Sum is over. Now continuation. Let's go to the next sum. Integration cos x minus sin x total divided by root over of 8 minus sin 2x dx. What to do here? What to be done, everybody? In this type of cases, what to do? We have to take continuously, always you have to think like this. We have to take anything as t whose derivative is present in the sum. So kiska derivative is sin x minus cos x. Without sin, without anything, I am telling you sin x plus cos x. Okay, so minus constant, it will go outside, but we have to think like this. Therefore we can write here, we have to present solution, we have to present here cos x minus sin x dx 8 minus of sin 2x plus 1 minus 1. So we can write cos x minus sin x total divided by 8 plus 1 9. This is root over of 9 minus sin x plus cos x. Our formation is done. We got our formation. Now sin x plus cos x equal to t and sum is over. If we take sin x plus cos x equal to t and the sum is over, everybody, dt by root over 3 square minus t square. So what is the formula? Sin inverse x by a. Okay, so this is coming to be sin inverse x by a t by 3, and finally put the code. But remember, everybody, remember one thing, you have to finish the sum. There are some days left, so must finish, complete the sum, so that there should not be any problem with using the formula. Remember this. Next, integration x to the power 5 into root over of a cube plus x cube dx. Try to solve it, everyone. Try to solve this. What to do? Denominator root over we have to take as t square. Okay, accordingly we have to just substitute the numerator. So what we'll do here, everyone? A cube plus x cube equal to t square. So 3x square dx equal to 2t dt. So x square dx equal to 2/3 t dt. So we can write this as 2/3 t dt. And 1x square is removed. Other x cube is present here. This x cube can be just taken as t square minus a cube. So we can write this as t square minus a cube. So if we separate this, 2/3 t cube dt minus 2/3 a cube t dt. Therefore, we can write this as 2/3 t to the power 4 by 4 minus 2/3 a cube t square by 2 plus c. Sum is over. In this way, first you have to solve the sum for the WBJEE examination. Next sum. Integration dx by x square into 1 plus x to the power 4 whole to the power 3 by 4. This type of sum is very important for the integration. This type of sum is very important, everybody. What to do? Just first of all, in this type of fractional power, actually there are a lot of methods, Euler's method and all other, so much is not needed. Just remember one thing, you have to take out the maximum power out. You have to take maximum power out. So if we take maximum power out, what is coming? X to the power 4 from the inside. X to the power 4 from the inside. If we take it out, it is coming out as x cube because this is 3 by 4. 4 is multiplied with the 1 by 4 and this is cube. X cube is coming out and it is multiplied with the, this is x to the power 5 into 1 by x to the power 4 plus 1 whole to the power 3 by 4. Now we can write here, if we take 1 plus x to the power 4, 1 plus 1 by x to the power 4 equal to t, so minus 4 by x to the power 5 dx equal to dt. Therefore, we are getting here dx, so minus 1/4 dt by t to the power 3 by 4. If we take t to the power 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 here, it is coming t to the power minus 3 by 4 x to the power n ka formula, x to the power plus 1 by n plus 1. So final answer is coming to be minus 1/4 t to the power minus 1/4 plus 1 minus 3 by 4. 1 minus 3 by 4 is 1/4 by 1/4 and calculate finally. Finally calculate it. Okay, next go to the next sum. Integration of sec cube x, it is very easy sum. This is very easy sum, let us solve it. What to do? We have to do by parts. So let I, this type of integrals are called the never ending integral. So let us solve it. So sec x into sec square x dx. So first, second, so let us do sec x. Why I am taking sec square x as the second function? Because the function which is the better integrable is considered to be the second function. So if we take sec square x is tan x minus derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. Integration of sec square x is tan x on total dx. So we are getting here I equal to, so already I equal to sec x into tan x minus sec x into tan square x. Tan square x can be written as the sec square x minus 1, and once again sec square x is getting generated. So sec square x minus 1 dx. Therefore, we are getting I equal to sec x tan x minus once again I sec cube x minus plus sec x is log of sec x plus tan x plus c. Therefore, 2I equal to this, I equal to half sec x tan x plus half log of sec x plus tan x plus c over. Next sum. Next question, integration of 2x to the power 12 plus 5x to the power 9 total divided by x to the power 5 plus x cube plus 1 whole to the power 3 dx. Whenever power difference is very big in the power means degree difference, but I am telling you whenever degree difference in the numerator denominator is very big, so we can take the maximum power out from the denominator and take it up, divide with the numerator. Let's see what can be done with this policy. So I can take this here 2x to the power 12 plus 5x to the power 9 total divided by, I am taking x to the power 5 outside. Everyone, if we take x to the power 5 outside, it is coming out as x to the power 15. It is coming out as x to the power 15. Okay. Therefore, it is coming out as x to the power 15, that is 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x cube whole to the power 3 dx. If we divide this with the numerator x to the power 15, if we apply the indices in the numerator, we are getting 2 by, what is coming here? X to the power 3 plus 5 by x to the power 6 total divided by 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x cube whole to the power 3. Now our structure is formed. If I take this denominator, if we take this as t, 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x to the power 3 equal to t, we are getting here, we are getting, everybody, I am writing here, here we are getting minus dt by t cube, that is t to the power minus 3 minus 1 by 2t square plus c. Sum is over. We have to solve the sum very fast like this. Otherwise, in examination, we'll see that the sums are common, but we cannot solve the sum. But it should not be a priori. We have to solve known sums very fast. Next sum. Integration x to the power x into 1 plus log x dx. What to do? This type of sums we have to solve very fast. So directly we have to solve this type of sums. So we can write this as x to the power x equal to t. Therefore, x to the power x into 1 plus log x dx equal to dt. So directly we can write this as t. That is t plus c. Sum is over. Okay, we have to solve in this way. We have to solve in this way very fast. One more sum. Integration cos cube x plus cos to the power 5x total divided by sin square x plus sin to the power 4x. Solve it. What to do? Denominator is sin. It is better. Numerator power of the cos is odd. So take one cos outside and we'll use this cos to absorb the as the substitution. It means sin x equal to t you have to take, because denominator power is the even, sin x ka power it does not matter, but the numerator cos x ka power is odd. Therefore, it is better if we take cos x common and convert all the cos into the sin and sin x as t. I think it will be easier for us to understand. You also think of your own method. Next. So cos square x plus cos to the power 4x into cos x total divided by sin square x plus sin to the power 4x dx. Cos square ko 1 minus sin square x directly you have to write, or everybody let us take substitution. If I take sin x equal to t, okay, so we are taking t square plus t to the power 4. Here it is cos square is 1 minus sin square, so 1 minus t square. So sin square whole 1 minus sin square whole square, 1 minus t square whole square. So direct we can write this as 1 minus t square plus 1 minus t square ka whole square dt. Now if we just calculate, we are getting here t to the power 4 plus minus 3t square plus 2 by t square plus t power 4 dt. So we are thinking if we calculate here, what can we cancel the maximum power in the numerator denominator? Cancel the maximum power in the numerator denominator. If we cancel the maximum power in the numerator denominator, so let us write the denominator in the numerator, t to the power 4 plus t square. Okay, I am writing down. We can write here t to the power 4 plus t square, okay, plus 2 minus 4t square total divided by t to the power 4 plus t square dt. Now if we calculate here, we are getting dt by dt 1. So this dt by dt 1. So if I separate this, we are getting 1 dt plus 2 minus 4t square by, we have to apply the partial fraction method without doing the partial fraction. So we are getting here dt integration t plus 2 by, here integration is 1 by t square, partial fraction you have to apply, minus 3 by 1 plus t square. Now we can calculate. Integration form is coming. Okay. So in this case, t plus 2, let us apply 1 by t square, t to the power minus 2 minus this, the direct formula once again 1 by a 10 inverse x by a formula. In this way you have to solve the sum. Anyone will tell anything? Let us do the next sum. If you have to write anything, you can write. Next, dx by integration of x plus x to the power 2024. What to do? Why I have given 2024? Because this is the 2023 going, and we have to solve the sum using the 2023. Okay, let's solve. Let's see this. What to do here? Let's take x to the power 2024, and we are getting 1 plus x to the power minus 2023. So if we take it up, x to the power minus 2024 total divided by 1 plus x to the power minus 2023 dx. So if we take denominator as t, if we take denominator 1 plus x to the power minus 2023 equal to, so minus 2023 into x to the power minus 2024 dx equal to dt. So directly we are getting what, everybody? Minus 1 by 2023 into dt by t. That is coming log t. So minus 1 by 2023 into log t. T ka value here plus c. In this way we have to solve. There are unending integrals, and this integral part is very important for the WBJEE type of examination. Now one more sum. Integration of fx minus f dash x into e to the power x total divided by e to the power x plus fx whole square. It is a normal bracket. If nothing is given, it is a normal bracket, otherwise it is a box bracket. What to do? So obviously that form we have to apply, but before that e to the power x into fx plus f dash x we have to apply, but before doing that we have to just manipulate what to be done. What to do here? First of all, let's calculate. What we have to do? Let us take e to the power x from the bracket and take multiply with the up, because same thing, same concept everyone. So if we take e to the power x outside, it is coming out as, if we take e to the power x outside, it is coming out as e to the power 2x and divide in the numerator. This is the concept. So if we do this, we are getting e to the power minus x into fx minus f dash x, okay, total divided by 1 plus e to the power minus x into fx whole square dx. Now if we take, put 1 by 1 plus e to the power minus x fx equal to t. You can apply u by v method, you can apply directly substitution method as you think better. If we apply just denominator whole square 1 plus e to the power minus x into fx whole square into minus of e to the power minus x, it is coming what? E to the power minus x into fx minus of e to the power minus x into fx minus of e to the power minus x into, it is f dash x into fx dx equal to dt. Therefore, final answer is coming dt. So, t plus c, sum is over. 1 minus is something, it is here. No, it is okay. In this way, you have to solve the sum. One more sum. Let's solve one more sum. Integration of sine inverse 2x plus 2 total divided by, not total divided by, under this sine inverse, this is root over of 4x square plus 8x plus 13. What to do for this integral? First of all, within sine inverse, this type of sums, what this type, it is here sine inverse, sometimes it can be cos inverse, sometimes it can be tan inverse. So within the sine inverse, whatever there, we have to substitute in terms of some sine theta. So how to solve this sum? So let us apply sine inverse here. Denominator absorb all the x to make a whole square. So 2x plus 2 whole square plus 3 square dx. We can take 2x plus 2 equal to 3 tan theta. So 2 dx equal to 3 sec square theta d theta. I am giving the bracket here. This is the bracket. Now we can write this as, this is directly coming sine theta. Just check it. Tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta sec square theta. Tan theta by sec theta is coming to be sine theta. So finally we are getting sine inverse sine theta into, here it is coming what? Sec square theta. And this is coming 3 by 2. So this is coming to be integration theta into sec square theta d theta. So it is under by parts. So UV formula, theta constant, sec square theta is tan theta, minus derivative of theta is 1, sec square theta is tan theta. Once again, tan theta integration is log sec theta plus c. One more sum, let's solve. Integration x power 4 minus x whole to the power 1/4 total divided by x to the power 5 dx. What to be done? Once again, that same case, we have to take maximum power outside. If we take maximum power x to the power 4, everybody, if we take x to the power 4 outside, it is coming out as x. So this is coming x, and it is coming 1 minus 1 by x cube whole to the power 1/4 total divided by x to the power 5 dx. So 1 by x to the power 4 into 1 minus 1 by x cube whole to the power 1/4 dx. So we can write 1 minus 1 by x cube equal to t. So minus, that is 4, right? So 4 by, no sorry, 3 by x to the power 4 dx equal to dt. Therefore we can write this as 3 to the power 1/4 or 1/3 dt. So x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So final answer is 3 to the power 1/4 plus 1 by 1/4, 1 plus 1/4 plus c. So everybody, indefinite integral is very important for the entrance examination, and we have done that type of sums which are important for the WBJEE exam, and must subscribe the channel, and I'll just get lot and lot of such videos for the WBJEE as well as JEE Advanced. Bye everybody.